Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to clone your voice with AI using ElevenLabs. So let's get started. First, open ElevenLabs and log into your account. Over here, go to the Voice Lab section and choose Instant Voice Cloning. After that, upload a short voice clip between 1 to 5 minutes, or you can record your voice directly inside ElevenLabs. Then, ElevenLabs will analyze your voice, including pitch, accent, rhythm, and emotion, to create an AI version that sounds just like you. Over here, if you want higher quality cloning, there's also a professional voice cloning option. This one requires a longer, high quality dataset and manual approval from the ElevenLabs team. It's perfect for projects like audiobooks, dubbing, or professional media. After that, let's quickly look at pricing. ElevenLabs gives you free credits to test everything. Then, if you want full access to advanced features like voice cloning, studio projects, and commercial rights, you can upgrade to the Creator plan, which is affordable and ideal for content creators and voice artists. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.